Within the West Midlands, the Young People's Learning Agency and the Skills Funding Agency went out to tender in October 2010 for 3 ESF specifications. There was 16 to 18 NEET engagement, there was Black Country Post-16 NEET provision, and there was 14 to 16 NEET engagement. As a result, we have 22 projects working across the 14 local authority areas within the West Midlands ESF area. The 22 providers themselves are all different, so there can be commercial and charitable providers, further education providers, third sector providers, and of course local authorities themselves, all delivering to about 9,000 young people between now and December 2013, including 2,000 young people currently in years 10 and 11 within schools and academies. What we want to achieve in the area links very much to central government policy with regard to raising the participation age. So as we move towards raising the participation for all 16-year-olds in 2013 and all 17-year-olds in 2015, there will be an increasing importance to engage and continue to engage young people. We've been very successful in the past at engagement and re-engagement activities, but the crucial success of these set of ESF specifications will be with regard to progression and sustaining those crucial progression opportunities, be that preventing early disengagement for those young people currently in school, or for those people post-16 who have already left school, providing progression opportunities into further learning or into the world of work, specifically focusing on apprenticeship provision. As we move towards the raising of the participation age, it will be much more important for partners to work together. So what we want to achieve specifically in this area is better linkages between those providers delivering this ESF provision and providers delivering mainstream non-ESF provision. This way we can secure sustained engagement and progression for those young people as opposed to just simple one-off intervention. The challenges that we're facing in the young people actually result from the young people themselves. There's a variety of needs that the young people have, and also for the 22 providers themselves, the possibility that they have to work with small numbers of young people within a local setting. As a young person arrives at a provider, they can have numerous needs. Some might be more vocationally aware and just require some additional support so they can progress to an apprenticeship program. Some will have much more complex needs that require specialist support, one-to-one mentoring, or a more holistic approach from other agencies such as Connections, Job Centre Plus and social and welfare benefits. An additional challenge that we've also set ourselves is to work with those young people who might be disengaged within schools or within current learning and who are at risk of dropping out. So therefore providers have the additional scope to work with 14 and 15-year-olds in schools as well as with those young people within colleges. The underlying challenges faced by young people can only be truly addressed through partnership working within the local area. What we have in place is a number of project-specific steering groups and also local authority-led strategic planning forums whereby issues such as transport in a rural environment and the difficulties that that brings to young people can be openly discussed. We believe we have in place the right partners and the right providers with the experience and the knowledge to bring to those young people the opportunities and the entitlement and the progression that they need to be able to secure those progression opportunities into further education and training.